In this video, we'll show you how to change the side view mirror on your Ford Fusion. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To change your car's side view mirror, you have to take off the door trim. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 7mm socket, unscrew the power window switch plastic trim holding screw. Remove the screw with a magnetic extender. Using a car trim removal tool, lift the power window controls plastic trim. Once the trim has been removed, start by disconnecting the connectors from the master power window switch and side mirror controls by pressing the locking tabs. Using a small fork, remove the cover located in the door opening. Using a Torx T15 screwdriver, unscrew the first screw holding the door panel. Then remove the plastic trim. Disconnect the connector by pressing on the plastic tab and pulling it. Using a Torx T15 screwdriver, unscrew the two screws holding the door panel. Using a car trim removal tool, unclip the plastic trim panel from the door panel by prying it with the tool. Run along all three sides to disengage all clips. You can now remove the door panel by lifting it off the top track. Remove the plastic covering the side view mirror retaining bolts. You now have access to the three retaining nuts of the side view mirror. Unclip the power connector from the side view mirror. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and an 11mm socket, unscrew the three holding nuts on the side view mirror. Take off the side view mirror. Using two flathead screwdrivers, remove the retaining clip. You can order the side view mirror used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new side view mirror. Remove the plastic ends supplied with it. Then put the retaining clip back in place. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Insert the side view mirror into its housing. Then screw the three nuts back in by hand at first. Finish off tightening with a ratchet. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the plastic trim back on. Bring the inner door panel closer. Pass the connectors of the electric window and side mirror controls through the opening in the door panel. Start by sliding the upper part of the door panel into its rail, then press on the edge of the door panel to clip it securely into its slots. Then, screw the door panel retaining screws back on. Reconnect the connector into the door handle. You can now clip the plastic trim back onto the interior door handle. And screw it back on. Replace the plastic cover. Reconnect the connectors of the electric window and side view mirror controls. Then clip the assembly back on. Retighten the retaining screw. Operation complete.